gonna dump? No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah! Here we go. We're pumping it. Come on, Bitcoin, don't do this to me. Here we go. We got some longs coming in, baby. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, we're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, sometimes it has a delayed effect, guys. Alright, we got a little bit of a red candle right here. It's starting to turn green though, baby. We're pumping it. Delayed gratification is a good thing to practice in life, guys. If you want to make those gains. Is this a bull flag? About to break out? Oh man. Oh man, it's not looking so good, huh? Value area high. Is this a rejection? Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, never gonna live. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Oh, there we go, baby. We got a green candle. Yeah. 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 All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Wednesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. Man, guys, we are pumping, baby. We've been waiting for this all day. I looked at the chart and I couldn't even believe what my eyes saw. We were pumping like a wild woman in distress, running through the wilderness with a laundry basket on her head, looking strangely like Janet Yellen. All right. We are pumped to the upside right now, coming straight to the 6 Juanita. All right, we are pumping like crazy.
We're pumping, and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6 Juanita, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
So, guys, I mean, we got to be honest. We are right now at a resistance, and I'm really excited. I'm really happy because I have been in a scary long trade all day. All right, I've been in a scary long trade all days. In the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we had the price come down to this beautiful golden pocket right around $71,700. And I said, look, if the daily low is in, this is our entry. And I posted my entry with a crossed finger, baby. All right, and look, we were holding it. We had the faith in the level, all right, and here we are, baby, pumping it up. Now we are coming right to the Fibonacci 618. All right, shout out to the Casper Crew, by the way, because we gave this trade right here. All right, we gave this trade setup in advance. Let everybody know I was taking the long from 68,569 Same with this one. Let everybody know I was taking the long from 71,729. All right? Not signals, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Now look, we are coming up to none other than the Fibonacci Golden Pocket. This is key because if you were watching the live stream earlier today, what did we say? We said we are either going to get a rejection from this level, all right, like this, and make a lower low and come back down toward the $71,000 area, or we're actually going to pump and we're going to go for the high at 73,951 and 50 cents. It's very important that the 50 cents is there because on ByBit we have the 50 cents, right? You could clearly see. Let's zoom in here. 73,951.5, all right? Don't neglect the cents, all right? You know, you go out to the store, you buy something at Dollar General, right? They give you change. It's only 50 cents. You say keep the change. That 50 cents is important, guys. All right? Don't let them keep the change. Now, I want to show you something very important. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is crazy. So, all right. This is insane. Okay, so we're bouncing from right here. What happened right before this big bounce? I want to talk about it because it's very intense. I have lots of emotions and passion about it, all right? Now, I'm not an emotional trader at all. I'm not an emotional trader at all. I'm not emotional, guys. But look, what happened is we came down and we bounced from this key zone right here. This was the box that we had on our chart from yesterday's live stream. Yesterday's live stream, we said on the way down, the first place we need to be aware of is a bounce from this area right here, all right? A box from this area. We got a bounce from the area. Then what happened is we got a little move to the upside, all right? And we came back down, right? We got a bounce from the initial box. We came up, we came back down to the area in between the Fibonacci Golden Pocket and the 786, all right? When we get the move back down between the Golden Pocket and the 786, you need to think to yourself, if the bottom is in, this is where we're going to bounce from. This is why, this is the rationale for the long trade, right? The long trade rationale is if the daily low is really in, this is our entry here. Coming back down to the Golden Pocket and the 786, stop loss below the low. The entry, right? And what happened just a little while ago is pretty insane. So we basically had a big market manipulation. We take a look at the order flow and we had 16 million longs come out of nowhere, like literally right here. 16 million longs just pop out of nowhere, push the price up, and then push the price all the way back down. In fact, let's go to the 5-minute chart to see how quick this happened. Look at this. Literally 16 million longs in one 5-minute candle, one order, pops open, and then we come all the way back down and we take that low. Now, when we took the low, look at our 24-minute time frame right now. We got a very bullish divergence where the price was making a lower low, all right? Price made a lower low, and the momentum was on Market Cipher B on the 24-minute, made a higher low with the money flow getting higher, even crossing into the blue. Very bullish, uneven butt cheek pattern, all right? And now we're pumping, and we're coming up to our first level of resistance, which is the 618, and it looks like we're breaking through it, baby. It looks like we're breaking through it, baby. All right, now, as we know, the 618 Fibonacci, our high school crush, 6 Juanita, had a huge crush on her. Turns out we were in something called the friend zone. Some of you guys might know about the friend zone. Now, I know no one really knows about the friend zone because I'm the only loser guy that never had a girlfriend in my life. But you other cool guys out there, good with the ladies, the friend zone is when a girl likes you because you give her money if she needs money, you give her a ride if she needs a ride, you let her copy your homework if you're in high school, but she's not interested romantically. So when you ask her out, she gives you the hand, she gives you the face, and she rejects you right from the Golden Pocket, right from the 618 Fibonacci. Boom, the purple candle's coming down now. As you can see, we are reclaiming the Golden Pocket, the 618, and on the 24-minute time frame and the 12-minute time frame, we do not have bearish divergences. We are getting bullish. And we are coming up right now. Oh my goodness. We are blasting through the 618. Finally. She's going to say yes to our romantic inquiries. All right. The next level of resistance on the chart is going to be the 786 fib. All right. 786 fib coming in right up here. All right. That is actually going to be at about 73,168. Now we had the 6 Juanita. Honestly, turns out maybe she's into us now. But her older sister, the 786, is coming up next. The 786 Fibonacci. Let's see if we can get through her. By the way, guys, if you want to trade on BLOFIN, they are currently offering 10% cash back. 10% cash back on all future deposits. So you got $1,000, deposit it, they'll give you 10% back to trade with. All right? You can't withdraw that money, but you can trade it and you can keep the profits from it. Plus, you can win all these juicy prizes. All right? Also, I'm currently still trading on MEXC. MEXC is the best deal on fees in the world. If you want to trade spot with 0% fees on spot, so you can go in and out of Bitcoin and Tether and exchange Bitcoin to ETH and all that, USDT to USDC, like with no fees, MEXC is the way to go. Plus futures, 0% limit order, 0.01% market order, absolutely the best in the world as Bitcoin is pushing to a new all-time high. All right, now let's talk about levels to the upside, because remember, we were entertaining the fact, make sure to like the stream, because if we get 1,000 likes within the first half hour, we'll be giving away $1,000. We are coming up to our next level, the 618, but here's what we need to be aware of, guys. First of all, this 12-minute money flow cross could be bullish. Man, we were talking about this morning how that purple money flow on the 24-minute oftentimes acts as support. Here's what I'm looking to happen, all right? Here's what I'm looking to happen. Honestly, if we can come above this level, I am looking for us to come up to $73,951.50, where, honestly, I'm going to be looking for a short trade. Okay, why am I going to be looking for a short trade up here? The reason is because what is happening right now, like, we have to think one step ahead of the markets, right? We got to think one step ahead of the markets. We got to think one step ahead of all the hot girls who are rejecting us and their older sisters who may or may not be girls who are also rejecting us. All right, we need to put ourselves into the minds of a fat, white, ambiguously gendered college student majoring in trans, non-carbon, binary emission gender studies. All right, we're getting bullish. We're bouncing. We're bullish. We got uneven butt cheeks on the chart. 24-minute time frame. All right, in fact, we could take the butt cheeks right here, the left and the right, and just superimpose onto the chart to see, wow, the resemblance is striking. All right, but think of it this way, guys. Look at market Cipher B right now. How does it look? Does it look bullish? Does it look like we're bottoming out? Or does it look like things are ticking down? Does it look like money flow and momentum is ticking down? Looks like money flow and momentum is ticking down. Look at the 1 hour. Look at the 4 hour. All right. If we make another high real soon, the 4 hour will be looking like this, giving us the dreaded upside down uneven butt cheek pattern where you have the big juicy left butt cheek, full of ravioli and gravy, where you squeeze out the gravy, but the right side, very, very skinny, small, like that waitress at the diner, you know, Dolores. Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy, he needs another cup of coffee. All right, with the Brooklyn accent and all that. So here's the thing. That's called a bearish divergence. And so we come up here, right, and we're looking like that. We could expect to move back down into a range, and there's a really good chance that we continue to range here for a little while. The reason I say this is because this is what Bitcoin does, man. Bitcoin pumps and then ranges, pumps and then ranges, pumps and then ranges. Right now, we are getting a little bit of resistance at this Fibonacci golden pocket here. All right, let's see. Now, I have hit a TP1 on this trade already. I've locked in a good chunk of profit on this long already. All right, so there's no need for me to freak out if we get a dump here, but here's what we need to be looking at right now. All right, what we need to be looking at now is the potential for a back test of potentially coming all the way back down to around 72K before another move to the upside. All right, so if we're going to get a rejection from here, here's what we need to be looking at. We're going to go to our 6-minute time frame. All right, we got a 6-minute red dot printed on the chart. After a very bullish divergence, we come up to our first resistance. As we know, this resistance, we've been watching it since this morning's stream. It's either going to reject us here, or, you know, we're going to reclaim and pump like a wild lady. Now, here's the thing. If we're going to continue pumping right now, let's pull our fib, let's pull our range, all right? And let's come up with a plan. Now, you can see right now, the golden pocket is coming in right at the value area low of the range, which means after changing market structure, taking out all these highs, making a higher high, if we're going to come in and make a higher low, it's most likely going to happen right around here, and then we can expect our higher high. So if you come to the chart now and you're not in any trade, people are like, what trade should I enter? What trade should I enter? Well, I'm going to dish it out for you. All right? I'm going to dish it out for you like Dolores at the diner dishes it out for you. All right. A long trade. What long trade do we look for? We look for a move down to 72K backtest. And then we look to target 73.9. All right. What other trades do we look for? Well, let's say we don't make it down here, right? Let's say we keep pumping. We actually look for a fake out of this. All right. So right now, and honestly, like, let's be honest, this is a valid short scalp as well, right? This is valid as well. A 2-to-1 risk reward, potentially looking to take the low down at $71,000. Because whenever Bitcoin's ranging, you always have 4 potential trades, right? The high of the range, the low of the range, and then both fib pulls. So right now we have a fib pull to the upside. So this is short number 1 potential here. We have long potential down here. And so literally right now, there's this opportunity. All right. And then if we keep pumping, we look for this up here, right? And then if we dump a little more, we would be interested in taking now the range lows, looking for a long around this area, right? Coming down to take those range lows for a fake out back to the upside. These are literally the 4 trades, right, that I would be interested in, right? We don't want to chase the price. We've already gotten a move. There's no reason to freak out. There's no reason to freak out or anything and be like, oh no, what do I do right now? If anything right now, if gun to my head, I would say I would have to short this to down to a retest around, let's say, 72K, where I would be looking for a next long, right? So whenever price gets a big move, now we come back to the drawing board. We make a plan. What's the plan? Right now, the plan would be these 4 potential options. All right. Now, the truth is, guys, this golden pocket right here, you know, if you're bearish, if you're one of those people who was bearish in my chat this morning and you're like, the high is in, we're definitely going to dump, and you think this is the high, this is now your chance to get short, right? Why is this now your chance to get short? Because we've had a move down to the downside. We've made a lower low, right? We made a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Now we've come back to the macro golden pocket. This will be our first lower high, and then we can look to take it down more, right? So if you're bearish, now it's time to put your money where your mouth is, baby. All right? Now, if you're bullish, then just hold your longs, baby. Hold your longs. Hold your long while we sing the song. All right? What song are we singing? The pump song. The pump song, of course. All right? So, yeah, that's what is happening right now. And we got this big pump, and I was hoping we get a little bit of continuation. I was really hoping we get a little bit of continuation right here. Let's see. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. We got about 1,600 people in the chat right now. Shout out to J-Boy Polish. Shout out to Who Are You? Shout out to Pedro. The 1 minute looks spicy. Shout out to HFG. And shout out to Curve D. Curve D, what is going on? Shout out to Yogi. Casper, don't forget the news. I don't even know what news we're talking about. What news do we have right now? Do we have news right now? What news do we have? All right, shout out to HFG in the chat. Shout out to D Shuffle. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to CBK Wahoo. 3 hour looks sweet. Fuming. My short closed just above the golden pocket. Dang, bro. That sucks. I hate when that happens. That happened to me the other time. That happened to me the other day with I think with a long trade. Or no, with a short, yeah, with a short trade, and I had to FOMO back in. Shout out to FY Gar. Shout out to Big A. Aaron G here in a different form. What's up, Big A? Shout out to Nick Dobson. Shout out to NTX2. Shout out to J Armo. I fumbled my long. I'm sorry to hear that, my bro. It was a scary long, I'm not gonna lie. All right. Coinbase earnings. All right, Coinbase earnings. Shout out to Landon Maximus. Jobless data tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Man, things are going to get volatile, guys. All right, things are going to get volatile. Now look, we're coming down. We're coming on down. And this is going to be make it or break it, honestly. We had power hour, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. New York time. If this doesn't hold, then we are coming to make a new low. And our new low is probably going to be around $71,000. And guys, full disclosure, I know I said I shouldn't show this, but I do have limit orders set down there, all right? I've got some limit orders set around 71K because I am hoping to compound this long trade here and take it back up to a higher price, all right? Because I am looking at this as a range, all right? I'm looking at this as a range right here. All right. Here we go. We're coming down. Let's check out the order flow. What happened on the order flow? Oh my goodness. We have a lot of shorts opening up here. And we very well could get some bullish CVD guys coming back to retest the VWAP, coming into the golden pocket. Because right now we have about 5 million shorts opening up here. Open interest is increasing. CVD is getting lower. We very well may be forming some bullish CVD as we come into the VWAP. All right, let's put our VWAP on the chart just above the golden pocket. This golden pocket's looking pretty nice for a potential bounce, honestly. Come on, we hold VWAP. We hold the VWAP in the golden pocket. We should be good, baby. And if we start to get a bounce from here, I might have to FOMO add into this dang long trade. All right, let's check it out. Is today a giveaway? I don't know. Can we get 1,000 likes in the next 8 minutes? If it is, then if we can, then yes, it's a giveaway. If we can get 1,000 likes in the next 8 minutes, then it's a giveaway. All right, we're at the POC of the range, guys. We're coming on down. Man, what a drop, honestly. What a drop. Seriously, what a drop, huh? Okay, we're getting a little bit of a bounce from that POC. Let's see what happens. We're going to go to the 1 minute time frame here. Let's take a look at market Cipher B on the 1 minute. How's she looking? She's printing a trigger wave, guys. All right, after this bullish dip, she's printing a trigger wave. Let's see if we can't pump it up a little bit. All right? Let's see if we can't pump it up a little bit. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Here we go, baby. About to pump the Bitcoin price to a new all-time high. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We're holding the POC. The VWAP is so important. And the golden pocket's important too. Whoa. What the heck? They tried to interrupt the pump song. It's not gonna work. Take a few puffs of hopium. It's time to get serious. Look, we've got to hold right now. We've literally got to hold this level here. Put a box on the chart. We've got to hold this level. Alright, here we go. Alright. Sometimes it has a delayed effect. Yeah! Come on, baby. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. 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 Pump. We're holding the POC. Let's pop. All right. Front running VWAP holding POC. The longs are mostly, I don't know. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna talk, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. All right, baby. We're pumping the Bitcoin live on YouTube, so make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Because this juicy long trade with our take profit one hitting right up here, locked in, baby, and we're gonna go for another high. We're gonna go for another high. Yeah. All right, shout out to the Casper crew. Let everybody know that I opened up this trade, and when I hit a TP1, here we go. We're getting a little pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump right now. All right, it's working so far, guys. Working so far. We're getting a little pump. We have a massive blue candle.
Well, this is it, folks. We got a green candle like no green candle that's ever printed in the history of this country. We're pumping, and we're going straight to all-time highs. It's going to be huge, and we're going to make Jason Casper.
You know, it's pretty massive. The biggest candle we've ever seen in this country. The biggest candle we've ever seen in this country, in the history of this country, guys. All right? Man, this is nuts. This is nuts. All right. We're getting a retest. Look, as long as we don't lose this, I'm still comfortable looking for new highs. All right, we're just getting a retest so far. A retest so far. All right. Yeah. You know what? I don't think we can. You know what? Hang on. Stop the presses. You know, stop the presses. I don't know if my audio's synced up with the video. I don't know if I can actually do that. How did the pump song sound? Was the audio out of sync with the video? Let's see. Actually, it seems like it's alright, but this morning the audio was off, so I don't know if I'll be able to do any freestyles today, guys. But that's okay. Alright, shout out to Bitcoin Slut 1. Yo, Bitcoin Slut 1, what's going on? Alright. Who else we got in the chat that we got to give a major shout out to? Well, the sync is fine. Okay, we're good to go. Okay. Sailor buying another 42 billion Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Would I add or leave alone the trade from 58K? I'm just leaving that one alone for now. Alright, every long will be liquidated. Every single long will be liquidated. Alright, gains for life. I am sunk. Shout out to Cure Brustel, who says it was good. Alright, it's all good, bro. Shout out to 3 Digit. Shout out to Philip Berg. Shout out to Crypto Yacht. Bro, you gotta chill with the different pictures, man. I can't keep track of you, my man. M Entertainment. Yeah, I would leave it alone. I would leave it alone. I like it when it dumps. I like shorting better than longing. Well, I want to hit a new all-time high first. All right, I want to hit a new all-time high first. That's the deal. That's the deal. Shout out to Radial Gaio. Shout out to Fran. Shout out to Ivan Jackal. Shout out to Duper. What's going on? Shout out to Brad Craig. All right, let's see. As we're coming down to the Fibonacci Golden Pocket, looking for that higher low. We've already made some nice divs at these lows here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's see what happens here, guys. Give it a little bit of time, and let's see how Asia opens, all right? If Asia dumps us back down again, be looking either for simply just a higher low. Look, as long as we don't take this low, we're still in the clear, right? The original trade idea is that, let's not forget, is that stop loss under the low, right? Stop loss under the low at 71.3, right? That's the original trade idea. All right, shout out to the Casper crew. All right, let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, we got the pig nips down there, Splashfire Films, for sure. Shout out to Seek Parabolic. 80K incoming. Every sheep and their dog long 70K. You think they long 70K, every sheep and the dog? Yo, they all long 70K. That's what they say. Every dog, every sheep. Let me hear you go, hey. Yeah, speaking of the sheeps and the dogs, woof woof bah, give me a frog. We're gonna hop to the all-time high as the Bitcoin price blasts into the sky. We got the golden pocket up here and then the 786. The Bitcoin's back to her old tricks, and don't we know, as long as we don't lose the white box, the Bitcoin could pump then hit the spot. But we also know we could come back down to take the liquidity out around and then smash it up once Asia opens. Trading the Bitcoin over here on BLOFIN, and don't you know you get 10% cash back for everything you deposit? What about that? And you could win a nice watch, maybe even a chair or a bag of cash like a lock the door. Then you trade the Bitcoin and come back for more. Got the link in the description. That's how we go in. Taking the trades, 500K on BLOFIN, up about $3,000. Hit a take profit one. Now let me hear you holla. Yeah, got a little bear flag, maybe to the downside. We could take it out like my lady. Then we pump it back up. 786, all-time high coming in like a nice Twix. The Twix is a candy bar I like to eat. Back in the day when I was walking on my feet to the store, I come back for more as I'm trading all the Bitcoin. I look over at the front door, and guess who's coming in but my friend Six Juanita. I said, hey yo girl, it's a pleasure to meet ya. Let's go out for dinner, maybe we could eat some pizza. And if you're gluten-free, I got a place to treat ya. It's a gluten-free vegan restaurant. The Bitcoin price always comes back to haunt. When you long the top, then the price starts to drop. Then the market makers liquidate you, then they go whop to the upside. Bitcoin about to go ride, looking like a nice slide, going like a free ride down the freeway in your car. Bitcoin about to pump when we're going really far, when we're outside working every day on the farm. Hopefully we're not getting a brand new car because we cannot afford it when the bills come in the mail, cause the Bitcoin price is about to bail. Yeah, don't you know we had about 16 million longs right here. We pumped about the VWAP, then we dropped at CDW. We got the nice cheeks like a BMW. Then we take a look at market Cipher B, the 24 time frame. Let me see what you can see. We got the left side looking nice and juicy, then the right side to round out the booty. Then we pumped it up really high, the Bitcoin price right into the VA in the sky. Now we're coming back down to the VWAP. Keep your eyes on this, because if we lose it then we will drop. Mark my words, haven't you heard? The Bitcoin price looks like some dirt. Okay, alright, so look, VWAP is very important. We potentially do have some bullish CBD here, guys. Increase of open interest, right? From that first low, 108, down to 106. Alright, so we technically got some bullish CBD. Alright. Potentially some bullish CBD. Make sure to smash the likes. So let's check that out again. Yeah, you know, it could be looking pretty good. Like, I'm actually hopeful for a bounce from here. I'm actually hopeful for a bounce from here.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Yeah, I'm hoping for a bounce from here. Yeah, we're hoping for a bounce from here. I said, we're hoping for a bounce from here. Oh yeah, a bounce from here. I said, for a bounce from here. I said, yeah, we're looking from a. Yeah, hey, come over here, my dear. Let me spit it right into your ear. I wanna tell you, don't be afraid, do not fear, do not worry, because Jason is here. I said we're looking for a bounce from here, because we got the bullish CBD, my dear. Now sit back, relax, and let me spit it into your ear. As we're outside, we're hunting for the deer, cause we love to eat the venison, every day the meat. The Bitcoin price got me running on my feet. Hopefully we don't shoot the groundhog coming through the garden. Got the gas in my belly, I have to fart, and now the gas is coming out. The Bitcoin price, it gets so much clout as we get the wick to the 786. She's up to her tricks, then you're licking your lips. In the kitchen, you come in to eat the brownies. Take the cheese and spread it on your knees. You go to your friend's mom, you say, baby, please make me a sandwich, because I wanna do it easy. Yeah, doing it easy and not hard. The Bitcoin making the profits to buy the cars. Got the Lamborghini and the Maserati. Carl from the moon takes me in his Bugatti to McDonald's, ordering the Big Mac every day. That's what we do when the Bitcoin gets paid. Hopefully we take a look at the levels, pumping it up back to the old bevel. Got about 1,700 people in here. Make sure to smash up the likes, my dear, because yeah, we missed the time to do the giveaway. But if we rhyme, we could do the same. Perhaps 500 today if we get 1,000 likes within the flube. What's the flube, you ask? It means 5 minutes in another language, like I'm eating some spinach. We're coming down to the white box, sneaky as a fox. Hopefully we don't stop, hopefully we don't drop, hopefully we do pop, hopefully we hit the spot, hopefully it's to the top. All time high, now let me clop, clop, clop in the head. Bitcoin trace, only green, never red, with the candles turning blue and turning purple. Got the Pikachu hat going in circles. I'm so delirious, I'm so delurkle. I don't even know what that means, but it's a jerk, yo. I am not a jerk, I am always so polite when I'm trading Bitcoin every day and all night. Yeah, now we got a nice blue candle of hope. Jason Casper, man, quit acting like a dope. Climb the price back up with that big rope, hanging from the ceiling with the slippery slope. Slippery slope on the sled in the winter. The Bitcoin price, hey, does she have a sister? The 618 rejected us. The 786, no need to fuss, but it's a guy in disguise. She isn't very wise. Look at those eyes. No matter how hard she tries, you know she's a guy. Just look at the beard. It's chilling on her chin, and it's so dang weird. Over on ByBit, here we go, long in the corn. The Bitcoin price better beep the horn. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. Beep beep. All right, we're holding POC. We're holding POC, but if we dip a little bit more, we dip a little bit more. Shout out to Crypto Surfer with the chicken logo. All right. Shout out to our super chats in the house. We got to give a major shout out to RC Moore. RC Moore, at what level am I looking to short? At the all-time high, baby. Well, I mean, technically, we should already be short from the golden pocket, right? But yeah, the all-time high. Shout out to Alistair Rind. Pair character punch in the air with fist and bump written on the knuckles. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Alright, we're back in action, baby. Who we got in the chat? Alright, Danny Sniper says, man, if for some reason you liquidate yourself, you can always go for a rap carrier. I assume even a rap career, but I would be a rap carrier. I love to carry raps because I love to eat raps as well. Shout out to Sudeep, who says, I'm not a bro. Yeah, Sudeep's not a bro. But you wouldn't know from the picture, you would know from our old picture. Shout out to P. Kirky, who's new here. But yeah, I would carry some raps. What kind of raps you talking about? I remember raps, see, back in the day, there was no such thing as a rap. It's a white person food that just popped into existence around 2005. It's supposed to be healthier than a sandwich, because for some reason, in the mid-2000s, everybody all of a sudden believed that, like, bread was bad, but if you take the sandwich and you put it in a tortilla, it's all of a sudden it's healthy. All of a sudden it's healthy. Like, oh, sandwiches? No thanks. Oh, a wrap? Yeah, I'll take that wrap. You know, it's healthy. You know, we'll have a light lunch. We'll have a wrap. All right, we'll just put our sandwich in a tortilla. You know? All right, here we go. Shout out to Seth, Michael Harris, whose name is Seth. All right, here we go. We're coming down to the VWAP right now. Let's take a look. This needs to hold. We have a few shorts opening up in the VWAP. Nothing too crazy. But in general, most of these shorts are still open here. Let's squeeze them. Let's squeeze them. Let's squeeze them. We need to reclaim 72.5. Let's squeeze them. Let's hold the VWAP, guys. This is the zone that we need to hold. We're trying. Let's squeeze them. Come on, baby. Let's squeeze them. Let's squeeze them. Come on. Ah. Oh, no. Bitcoin. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, man. Come on, man. Look, we got a little bit of a 12 minutes of red dot to print in here, and the 1 minute time frame looks pretty, it could give us a bullish divergence if we get it to bounce here. So, we need right now the green dot to print on the market, Cipher. Otherwise, we will dump. Okay, but we don't want to dump, we are getting a blue candle of hope right now. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Dang it. Dang it. You're right. You're right. Do I pump? Do I make Bitcoin dump? Is that what it is? Do I really make Bitcoin dump? Is that what it is? All right, shout out to Ubaid Khan. Would you rather see a tea grow or a knee grow? I'd rather see a tree grow than a knee grow, because honestly, if your knee grows, then you end up walking like this. Because one knee is taller than the other knee. But if a tree grows, especially an apple tree, then you have fruit for the rest of your life and your kids' lives and your grandkids' lives. Alright, so it's all about being sustainable. What's most sustainable, my friend? What's most sustainable? Am I German? Do I look German to you? Do I look German to you? You tell me, do I look German to you? You could always buy Hex. Man, that's so funny. Alright. Alright, come on, Bitcoin. Let's get a few blue candles here. Let's see if we can't get a little turnaround. Let's see if we can't get a little turnaround. What's happening with the PA election tomfoolery? Yeah, look, here's the deal. The election's gonna happen, and I believe that if Trump becomes the president, we'll probably see a little bit more bullish action. If Kamala becomes the president, we'll probably maybe see Maybe nothing really, honestly. And eventually we're gonna pump either way. Eventually we're gonna pump either way for Bitcoin for sure. All right. All right. Shout out to M Entertainment. You're a producer. You want to make? All right. Hit me up on Twitter or something. Maybe we could do it. I have to do a collaboration with Trader Geo. Trump did endorse the Casper crew. That's right. That's right. He did do that.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
Yeah, for sure. I look more German than a German. That's true. What's funny is I'm not German at all. Alright? I'm not German at all. Let me take off this stupid Pikachu hat. I look like an idiot. Let's put on a normal hat. Alright. Am I French? No. I'm not French. Alright, let me take off this stupid hat. Put on a more normal hat, guys. I'm gonna put on the Casper crew hat, alright? Here we go, the Casper crew hat, baby. The only endorsement that matters is George W. Bush. He won't endorse me for some reason. I don't know why. Alright? Bitcoin Celeste says it looks like AI. Nah, that was legit. That was legit. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna trick the market makers into basically pumping us back to a new all-time high, alright? Look at this horrible short entry I'm in right here. $100,000 short. Stop loss above the high. This is simply to entice the market makers to stop out the shorts and pump our longs. Alright, because right now, we're long on Bitcoin. $200,000 plus another 500, so that's 700. Plus another 200, that's 900. We're about $1 million. I'm about in $1 million long position. So I'm going to risk $660 here to trick the market makers into stopping out our shorts so that our longs can pump, alright? It's a good plan, right? It's a good plan. You know? I think it's a good plan. Who even trains legs? Yeah, I don't train legs. Yeah, curls only. We don't trade legs. It's a demo account. Yes, everything's a demo account. There's no YouTuber that trades real money, guys. It's all fake. In fact, the #1 rule in the Casper crew is we only demo trade. I only demo trade. Everyone only demo trades. All right. By the way, one of the great things about MEXC is their demo trading. If you're learning how to trade, MEXC offers demo trading. It's a really great tool in my opinion. And I'm going to be doing a free trading course starting in January. And I'm going to be teaching people how to trade from step 1 to step Z. From 1 to Z. Alright? And you can use demo trading to learn, alright? You could open up right now. We'll open up a $400,000 long. Alright, let's see. We're already in the Rojo. Alright. Nah, we'll close it out. Let's click the live trading button again. Go back to our live trades here, which are also demo, because again, no one should ever be risking real money on trading. It's very risky, and the purpose of life is to avoid all risks. For example, let's say there's an infection going around and you might get sick. Well, avoid all risks. Shut down your business. Don't go outside, and if you do have to go outside, cover every opening into your body. Your face, your nose, your eyes, your butthole. You don't want to risk anything. The purpose of life is to avoid all risks at all costs, and trading is one of the most risky things you can do. Most traders lose money, most traders lose money, which is why in January we're going to be doing that trading course, because I believe anybody can do this if you put your mind to it and you understand the basics of, number one, risk management. All right. Number two, having a strategy. And then number three, just implementing those things. All right. I've known many people who have been complete beginners and they have actually transitioned into being full-time traders. I know many personally. I know many people who have no experience in trading ever, and within 2 or 3 years, they're some of the best traders I know. Yes, even the stream is pre-recorded. Everything's fake. Shout out to JWeb3. Yes, it's paper trading for sure. Yes, these are going to be videos on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Will we do a tutorial on how to freestyle? I don't know. Can we get 1,000 likes, guys? Can we get 1,000 likes up in here? Let's see. We got 8 minutes until we've been streaming for an hour. Let's set a timer. See if we can get 1,000 likes by then. All right, let's see if we can get 1,000 likes by then. And if we can, maybe we'll do a giveaway. All right, shout out to Juan for the super chat. Can we look at Pixel? Sure, we could look at Pixel. Yeah, we could look at Pixel. Shout out to HFG. God bless. What's my morning routine? You know, we talked about it earlier in the stream, in the earlier stream. Shout out to Juan. Yeah, let's take a look at Pixel. Wow. Okay, so my initial thoughts on Pixel is the following, all right? We don't have bullish divergence at the low. We don't have bullish divergence the way I would like at the low. But technically speaking, we do have bullish divergences at the low. If we're going to take it from this low on April to the low on August, we do have a bullish divergence, but I like to see bullish divergences in the range. We are making a higher high here. It's tough to say. It doesn't look as beautiful bottomy as you would like, but here's something that I think, first of all, I don't know anything about Pixel. Could be a rug pull. I don't know. I'm only looking at it because of the super chat, so thank you for the super chat. But look at it this way. All right? Look at it this way. Let's say we go back to the highs, right? That means accumulating DCAing in this area here, right? Let's say we have $100 and we spread our $100 out here, right? We're risking $100 to potentially make 650. Or if we make a new high, potentially we're risking $100 to make $900, right? The risk to reward is really good on it. It doesn't look as bottomy as I would like. We could wait for signs of strength, but then we get a worse entry. A sign of strength would basically be really make a higher high and then wait for a back test and then get in, right? That would be a real sign of strength, is wait for a big push and then wait for a retracement and then get in at the support resistance flip. The problem is, you know, it can be hard to get those retracements. I don't know anything about Pixel, but I would say it's a good risk to reward. Right? And this is even assuming that we make a lower low. If we don't make a lower low, now that makes the risk reward even better. Right? Now we're risking 1 to make 10. Right? Just to hit those highs. We're risking 1 to make 10. So alright, let's get back to Bitcoin. Our beloved Bitcoin. She's bouncing from VWAP. Looks like and we got a little bit of bullish CBD here. We have about 9 million shorts here. So if we can come above 72.5, we will have 9 million shorts underwater, under the water. 9 million shorts under the water. All right, we got 3 minutes here. Look at 5-minute momentum waves, my friend. Let's check them out. It looks pretty good, in my opinion. Right? Money flow's coming up. I mean, I really like this bottom here. I really like what we just did just down here. With this, the 24 minutes, what's really getting me here. That's what's really getting me. Let's see if tomorrow we're not back at all-time highs. I'm a little concerned because, you know, Asia doesn't open for 2 hours. So look, here's how I'm viewing this. If Asia dumps us down, that will be bullish in my opinion. If we take New York's low, as soon as New York opened, we made that low. If we take New York's low, I will be looking for a bounce from around that weekly VWAP, around that $71,000 zone. It will be very, very bullish looking to me. Right? All right, we're getting that bounce. All right. Shout out to Crypto Coons. Where will I give the course? It will be videos on YouTube, man, and it will be free. It will be videos on YouTube for free next year, 2025. All right, do we have 1,000 likes? Oh man, we don't. That's crazy. We were so close, guys. We were so close. Nice, we're getting a little bit of a move to the upside. Give away 1,000 Satoshis. Yeah, okay, I'll give away 1,000 Satoshis. Can I do that? I don't even, alright, here we go, baby. We're getting a little pump. Let's see. Come on, baby. All right, we'll do a giveaway another time, guys. We'll do a giveaway another time. We didn't get the likes in time, all right? We had plenty of time to do likes. You're short and you have a liquidation at all-time high? Nice. Well, I hope you're also long and you're using that short to trick the market makers into pumping the price to new all-time highs. All right, we're holding that VWAP. We're getting a nice little bounce here. All right. Ooh, I saw like 5 people give a thumbs down just now because I said we're not going to do a giveaway. Even though the rule said we need 1,000 likes in 8 minutes to do a giveaway, and we didn't get the likes. And I'm literally the only YouTuber who gives away thousands of dollars every single week. All your other crypto YouTubers don't do that. But you're going to thumb down because you didn't abide by the rules? Come on, guys. Be grown-ups about it. Be grown-ups about it. Be grown-ups about it, guys. We'll do it another time. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video so that next time when you like the video, more people are going to be in here. And then when I say we need 1,000 likes in half an hour, or I give you 8 minutes, then we'll actually do it, right? Then we'll actually do it. I can't just do a giveaway if we don't meet the criteria, guys. All right? No, I'm not gonna ban him. I'm not gonna ban him. Nah, I can't ban people, alright? I can't ban people. That's not fair. Alright, I'm gonna be holding this long while we sing this song. Holding it long while we sing this song. Is MEXC open to USA? You need a Palu ID to trade on MEXC. What alt am I most bullish on? What alt am I most bullish on? I guess ETH. I don't know. Probably ETH, Solana, Chainlink. ETH, Solana, Chainlink. BNB, Binance Coin looks really bullish right now. Alright, shout out to everyone in the chat. God bless all of you. We crack it tomorrow? Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head out. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, may the Lord bless you and your family. And we will be back tomorrow. And hopefully, We will be hitting that all-time high tomorrow, guys. I hope. Alright, guys, peace.